Hi guys, welcome to AJ Science and Tech. Today I am here with an amazing gadget that is levitating plant pot, magnetic floating plant pot for small plants, 360-degree rotating levitating desk decor for home and office, floating pot gift for plant lovers birthday, new year, and for an event. It is made up of ABS. Its color is black. In special feature, it is a lightweight, modern in style. Its planter form is plant pot. Now we are going to check about this item. It has an innovative design. Compared with ordinary plant pot, this floating plant pot can levitate in the air stably via patented magnetic levitation system. The hexagonal stylish appearance of the base and planter makes it impressive at first sight. It is an unbeatable conversation piece if you place it in your office. It has 360-degree rotation. The black levitating plant pot with flowers or succulents can rotate in the air smoothly and quietly. It will be an amazing landscape at home, made of eco-friendly PLA material. The magnetic air bonsai pot is an awesome gadget for your kids to learn planting. It has an anti-gravity planter. The levitation gap can be up to zero point 0.7 inch when you power on the magnetic base and, and levitate the air plant pot. In addition to flowers and succulents, you can put small toys, LED candle, or something you want to display. The eye-catching, futuristic gadget is a brilliant room decor that creates a cozy and harmonious atmosphere. It is easy to set up. Before you set up the magnetic levitating planter, you should put soil and plant in it evenly first. Then find out the center point above the base. Position the plant pot on it and let go gently. The pot will spin automatically. The floating plant pot can hold up to 200 grams weight in a balanced levitation status. It is a fantastic gift. Levitating the air floating plant pot can train kids' hand eye coordination. It will be a funny birthday gift for kids, and they are willing to plant flowers. If you are looking for a present for a bonsai lover, the decorative novelty levitating planter will not let you down.